So I says to her, I ain't going out like that. I'm going to go.
No, ain't a word. And your syntax was absolutely horrible.
Stop that. Words like ain't, gonna, have to. These are words that are commonly used by people who are descriptivist. A descriptivist is a person who speaks more according to culture or how they feel. They are very, very expressive. They might tend to talk a little faster. They also will drop verbs in order to shorten words or phrases, such as I'm gonna go or I have to eat, instead of I am going to go or I have to eat. It is very important for a teacher to be able to teach you both descriptivists and prescriptivist way of speaking. Prescriptivists are people who speak according to all the rules and structures, and it's very good if you're about to take an IELTS test or you're going to talk to an employer. But we also want to learn how to talk to a friend, and that's when we want to be descriptivists.